Heyo, Gimdude here. Our bird of prey just called, and he needs your help again. Let's do this for him. And I'm sorry for not posting any new videos lately. It's because I'm running out of ideas to make them. And I gotta do this video as secrets. Because my parents are up there and I don't want them to know about this, so I'll have to be in their bedroom doing this in secret. Okay? And of course, this help order to pray. I can't see his name. Let's call him Osprey Fan. That sounds right, right? If you ever watching this Osprey Fan, you are in for a treat. No, the better than my eyes right now. Sorry about that. And I'll get ya. And I'll try to post more videos if I can, if I have any ideas. For now, I'm doing this video for him right now. Let's help him out. Out for that bird of prey. What did I say before? Birds of prey. The birds of prey just called me saying, hey, we need help. So let's help them, okay, guys? Give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. I hope you guys didn't see that on cam, sorry. If you did, I'm really sorry about that. But, yeah, please help me. I'll put the link in the description below. First time doing this, so bear with me. If it doesn't work out, I'm sorry. Please bear with me on that. First time putting that link down below. Usually when I don't mind that, I just have a notification. I usually see it, but I didn't do it, so yeah. I'll try this time. Bear with me. And you know when we reach the 3-minute mark. Oh no, the cop's coming, I gotta go. YOLO.